All right, traders, today gave us two very different opportunities. A pre-market breakout on CWD and a slower penny stock play on AIRE right after the open. Both highlighted exactly why day trading strategies built on predictive institutional levels beat random guessing or arbitrary round numbers every single time. And this video is all about education. If you've been searching YouTube for how to trade penny stocks, momentum stock setups, or how to grow a small account, this breakdown is going to open your eyes.
I'm not glued to a scanner. I am focused. Just one trade a day, clean structure, and real volume. That's how I'm growing $500 into a brand new high-end adventure truck that's going to be paid for 100% by profits in this day trading challenge. This challenge is about trading smart, not often. One clean setup with real reward. Let's walk through the chart and I'll show you what triggered this one.
CWD was already on our continuation watch list from yesterday. It's a nano float. It has short interest, and we were looking at a bottom bounce potential after that big sell-off yesterday. And most importantly, what caught my attention was it had reclaimed the daily 200 EMA. At 5:37 a.m. Mountain Time, CWD triggered our Discord alerts, and I took my entry at $8.38. My stop loss was $8.05. Risking 33 cents per share. That put my minimum target at this predictive Discord level of $9.95. As buyer volume stepped in, I used the stair-step trailing stop strategy that I teach my group. That brought me up to this $13 institutional level. As I saw it printing highs on lower volume, I planned my exit for the retest of this previous high, and that's where I sold, right at that $13 level, locking in $16,534 in profit in just 46 minutes. And here's the key point. $13 wasn't a random round number. It was an institutional supply level, mapped out in advance inside the Discord alert. And after the opening bell, AIRE had the ingredients. It had a news catalyst, super high short interest, and it had a cheap penny stock price. But it came with one issue. The volume wasn't as high as I needed it for me to be able to leverage on this super cheap stock. When liquidity is thin, I just can't responsibly use my full capital. So I adapted. At 8:12 a.m., I entered at 62 cents on a bull flag breakout, which was holding the Discord level here and the 9 EMA. My stop was this 61 cent Discord level, risking just 1 penny per share. Minimum target was 65 cents. But the predictive institutional target was 71 cents. After about a 20-minute tug of war, price finally retested that 71 cent level, and that's where I sold, banking a modest $725 profit. And that trade took me 26 minutes. Most of it was in this tug of war right here. So the gain wasn't huge, but it was disciplined and it was very controlled and it was built on structure. And that's what matters. Now, traders, let's talk about the difference between how I trade and what you see from the many big YouTube traders out there. They often rely on arbitrary targets, half dollars, whole dollars, just because they feel right. That's not trading. That's guessing. Every level I used today, that $9.95 level, 71 cents, even $13. Those weren't guesses. They were institutional levels mapped out and alerted to the Discord members before the move even happened. And here's the cold hard fact. Institutions do impact these names, regardless of how cheap they are. Research on supply and demand zones shows that sharp reversals form where large institutional levels once sat. Even studies of penny stocks show institutions and hedge funds do trade these tickers, sometimes outperforming peers. So when I take profit at $13, it's not because it's a nice round number. It's because it's where institutions were active and where the odds of reversal skyrocket. Did you know that over 80% of failed day traders never pre-plan their exits? They get caught chasing emotions and arbitrary targets. That's why predictive institutional levels are a game changer. They give you precision and consistency before the trade even starts. The daily 200 EMA reclaim is one of the strongest reversal signals. Predictive institutional levels beat random round numbers. Volume is the clue, not the strategy. Adapt position sizing when liquidity is thin. Structure is repeatable. Randomness is not. Traders, if your exits aren't based on where institutions act, you're just throwing darts in the dark. Did you know market makers often paint low volume candles to bait in traders using arbitrary targets? By anchoring on institutional levels instead, you flip the game and trade where real money is flowing. After today's trade, our small account truck challenge balance is at $75,585.86. That's 75% of the way to driving that brand new truck off the lot. Every level mapped out in advance, every disciplined trade brings us closer. If this breakdown helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss future uploads. Each video that I post is loaded with lessons most traders never hear anywhere else. And if you're ready to trade with predictive institutional levels instead of arbitrary guesses, check the link below to join my mentoring group and Discord community. Let's trade smarter and let's trade together.
So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game and achieving a 95% win rate in your trades, join us today at MomentumStockTraders.com, and here's everything that you get when you join. You get live trade guidance with me. I walk you through the logic of every single setup every single day. You get our custom stock scanners and our pro charting tools to help you spot the really big moves before they even happen. You'll be part of an amazing private Discord trading group and community, and this is where the action happens. You get AI-powered alerts so that you know when things are starting to heat up. And you get those amazing institutional levels, not the retail zones. These are the real moves where the big money enters. You'll also get full trade breakdowns every day. So you're not just following, you're learning. You're learning the why behind every single trade. And best of all, you get real-time, one-on-one mentorship from me personally. That's personal, one-on-one support inside a tight-knit community of serious traders. And guys, this is not a copy my trade service. This is real education, real trade guidance, and real results. Because here's the truth, guys. If you're copy trading, you're just reacting to somebody else's click, and that's not a strategy, that's panic, and you're already in the game too late. Our edge? Predictive chart reading and volume logic that fuels the action, not reaction. That's our edge, profit, not panic. And the members inside our group are crushing it every single day with structure, clarity, and confidence. In fact, this challenge that you're watching right now, it's my personal mission to grow a $500 account to a brand new truck, one high probability trade at a time. So if you're ready to stop second guessing and start trading with confidence, head over to MomentumStockTraders.com right now. And if this video helps you, be sure to click the like button and subscribe for more free educational video content. And hit that notification bell, because that's the only way you'll know when I upload a new video. And remember, fuel your momentum, steer your focus, and drive it all the way home. And I'll see you in the next video.